Put God first. Typography poster design in Canva. So let's start with it. So I have chosen Instagram post 4:5 format for this design, and I will come to uploads here, and as you can see I have chosen an image for this design, and the image link will be in the description. The image is downloaded from pixels.com, and which is free to use for all users, and I am just making the image bigger, and here also, okay, slightly move this side, and after that I will just download the image. So click on share, click on download, and make sure it is in PNG and click on download. Okay, add page and re-upload the image and make it to the same size as the canvas. Okay, and after that I will just go to elements here and scroll down to find frames here. Click on see all and scroll down to find the later frames and click on see all, and here I will find G. Let's make it smaller. O and D, and as you can see here the sizes are smaller, but we have to align it in the straight line. So I will keep the alignment bar here. If you don't find the scale here, click on Shift plus R in the keyboard and the scale will appear. Okay, and just place it right here and just make it smaller. Okay, and to make it of the same size, make sure you are aligning it in the straight line so that you can just make it of the same size. Okay, so the alignment is done of the same size. Now we have to align it here. So for this I am just using the ruler here. Okay, so the gapping is also same. Make sure the gapping is same because without that the design won't be possible. So let's make it slightly bigger. Okay, so this design is done with the frames. Now let's duplicate it thrice. Okay, so I have placed the image in the frame. Now make all of them to the same size of the canvas. So for this I will just make it bigger. And I will align it accordingly. Just zoom in a bit if you are not able to align it properly. So the G alignment is done. Now let's do for O and D. So all the alignments are done. Okay, so let's work on it slightly because it is not looking proper. So this one now looks proper. Okay, and now it's time to crop the main image, and so for that I will just click it on the image and just make it smaller. Okay, so as you can see the God typography is ready, but we will select all of them by clicking Ctrl plus A in the keyboard, and I will shift slightly to the left so that I can keep some space to write first here, and after that I will go to text here. First I will select on add a heading, and here I will write put and change the text color to white. Okay, and place it right here, and after that here I will search for sunshine. and I will select bright sunshine and just make it bigger. So put God and done, and now we will write first here and change the first color to black. Select the same photo color here and rotate it to 90 degrees. Okay, so maintain the depth also so that the design is possible, and just center it here, and after that just change the font to Archivo black. Okay, and just extend a bit so that I can place it right here, just middle it. Okay, and now our design is ready. So hope you like this tutorial, and I am sure you have learned something out of it. Okay, so let's do a quick recap for you. And so for this, first use this image, scale it properly, okay, and just download it clicking on share. Make sure you download it as PNG. Okay, so after downloading, re-upload it and just extend it with the whole canvas, and after that add the letter frames of God to write God here, and just add the picture individually in this effect, and after that just add the put here, and after that add first here. So make sure the alignment is proper, otherwise the design won't be possible. And you might be asking that why I downloaded this image, because you need to make the scale properly of the image for the frames, otherwise the design won't be possible. So for that the downloading is needed, and it helps me, and it will also help you to make the frames cover the image properly. And for this, make sure you are using the font put to be bright sunshine, and from the font first you will use Archivo black. And for the font size, you can change it to any font, and it will depend on the canvas size. Like this one is Instagram post 4:5 format. If you want to make it a defined canvas size, the size and the font will change. But for me, I think this bright sunshine and Archivo black looks the best, as it blends with this letter frame. So hope you like this tutorial, and please subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Thank you.